turn my phone to airplane mode again. Not for peace, just to feel the pain. 'Cause every message I don't receive reminds me more that you won't be. Your name still lives inside my chest, like something I just can't forget. I try to bury what we were, but love don't die, it only hurts. The city's loud, but I feel alone. A million lights, no place called home. I walk these streets like I'm a ghost, missing you the very most. I'm in airplane mode, no one can reach me, but somehow your memory still defeats me. No calls, no texts, just silent screams. And you, inside my dreams. I'm in airplane mode, trying to breathe, but every breath still feels like you and me. I turn it up, the world, the sound, but I can't turn you down. I see your face in every crowd, even when I'm not allowed to think of you, to say your name. It always ends the same. You moved on like I was nothing, like we were just a passing thing. But I'm still stuck in yesterday, where you never walked away. I smile outside, but inside breaks every single step I take. They ask me if I'm doing fine, I lie and say I'm alright. Tell me why this silence hurts the most, why I'm still talking to your ghost, why every night feels incomplete without your heartbeat next to me. I'm in airplane mode, but I still fall into the past, into it all, into your voice, into your eyes, into our last goodbye. I'm in airplane mode, but I can't heal, 'cause losing you is all I feel. I shut the world, I let it go, but I'm still stuck in airplane mode. In airplane mode.